G'day tubers. So, I got this Blackridge gen set, Blackridge BRG 800 off Facebook marketplace thing. It's a 2014-ish model, I believe, and it's done really minimal work. The guy that had it was a DJ, but anyway, he bought it for places where he wouldn't have access to power, and then it sat in the shed because he never had a need for it. So it's got like 3 or 4 year old stagnant stale fuel in there, which is one issue. The other issue is it doesn't like outputting power for some reason. Now it's got a bit of a issue when it comes to outputting AC, and you can hear something's causing a struggle inside the actual unit. I don't know whether it's a short or something wrong with the actual inverter, because it's an inverter generator. I was hoping someone would know whether or not it was a simple problem or not. How's that work? Primer pump. Anyway, it does start really well. Just grab something to plug in. Okay, it's obviously got some kind of fuel issue going on. Just undo that and leave that loose. That's the first time I've actually managed to get it to run something. Let me get it started again. I'll come back so I'm not shaking the camera like crazy. Okay, so the fuel's definitely an issue. As you can hear, it's surging and carrying on. I think I brought some fresh stuff, but it's got a little bit of 2-stroke oil in it out here. We might leave this run for a while and let it get through. The smart throttle works well. Definitely having some fuel struggles, so we get some injector cleaner through this and fix it up. I was told it had inverter problems and it wouldn't run. Look at that. I've done nothing to it but picked it up, sat it in the shed for probably 2 months now. And away it goes. Oh, I'm just going to leave it running until it runs out of fuel, and I have to give you an update on that. It all seems pretty hunky-dory to me. Obviously not. It's obviously not running perfect at the moment, but we're right, it's been running for like 15 minutes. That's all they run as an air filter, it's not a skerrick of dust and dirt. When you turn the choke off, it dies. So just dirty fuel in there, I reckon. See what else I can run with it. Got this big old half sheet sander. 500 watt, 2.4 amps. Guess what I'm going to be using to run pumps and stuff for work. That's the business. Oh, I'm going to do a bit of sand and see if we can't run it out of fuel. I'll keep you updated, YouTube, if something actually goes wrong with it, but there appears to be nothing wrong with it. Just running on some shitty fuel. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. It's the 800 watt Blackridge. You never know, you might pick one of these up at a garage sale that's got nothing wrong with it. $50. Thanks for watching.